guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to completely control your Windows PC or laptop from your Android phone. You can easily able to shut down, restart, or you can lock your PC laptop remotely from your Android phone. Not only this guys, you can easily able to control your PC laptop volume from your Android phone as well. Okay, also you can easily able to control your PC laptop keyboard and mouse wirelessly from your Android phone. So these all things you can do it remotely by using the one application. So first you need to install the application on your Android phone. Open the Google Play Store, and here in the Play Store, here you need to search Unified Remote. Okay, download and install this application and open it. Okay, now you need to connect your phone and your laptop with the same Wi-Fi network, and in your PC you need to install the same application. In any web browser you need to search Unified Remote and download and install this application. Okay, scroll down, here you need to select the Windows from here. Okay, download it. After downloading you need to install it. I have already installed it in my PC, so just press Windows key button, and here in the search you need to find out Unified Remote and open it like this. After opening guys, in your phone you need to open the same application, and here you can get the option basic input, file manager, keyboard, mouse, power, screen. If you want to control your laptop, PC, mouse, from here you need to select the basic input. That's it. Okay, now it will ask you to upgrade, so I will skip it. Free version of this application is also working very perfectly fine. So as you can see guys, from my phone screen I am moving my mouse cursor, as you can see guys. If you want to open any file, so I will open this PC. So let's see how it works. So just double tap on it and it will quickly open that particular application. If you want to close this, just tap on it. Here you can get some instruction that how you can use the mouse touchpad from your phone. If you want to type anything, so for example I will open any Word document. Okay, and from my phone I will type in my laptop screen. So from here you can easily able to get the keyboard option. Just tap on it, and here you can easily able to type. As you can see guys, whatever I am typing from my phone, so the same alphabet was typing in my PC screen, as you can see guys. If you want to get your laptop or keyboard layout on your phone screen, you can also able to do this. Go back to your application home screen, and here you can get the option keyboard. So just select the keyboard. From here you can get your complete keyboard, Windows keyboard layout on your phone screen. Caps lock, num lock, function key, everything, Windows key, search button, all keys of your keyboard layout you can get it on your phone screen, as you can see guys. Okay, now if you want to shut down your PC, laptop, or if you want to lock your PC remotely from your phone, go back to your home screen of the application, and here you can get the option power. So just tap on it. From here you can easily able to restart, shut down, log off, lock, sleep, hibernate, everything you can do remotely from your phone as well. Okay, not only this guys, if you want to control your PC volume from your phone remotely, so once again you need to go back to your home screen, and here you need to select media option. So now it will get this kind of interface on your phone screen. Now let's see how the volume control button works. So as you can see guys, the volume is controlling here. As you can see in my laptop screen, you can easily able to increase and decrease your volume as simple as well. Not only this guys, if you want to play, pause any video remotely, you can easily able to do this guys. So I will open one video file in my screen, laptop screen. So as you can see guys, the one video is playing in my laptop screen. So now let's see how the pause play button works. So here you can get the pause play button. Just tap on it. As you can see guys, remotely the video was pausing. Okay, like this. Same thing, if you want to quickly switch to your mouse cursor, mouse touchpad, go to your home screen once again. From here you need to select the mouse basic input, select it, and it will quickly show you the mouse cursor. From here you can easily able to control the mouse and close anything. So this is the very nice application guys, very nice. I have liked this. So with this help of application guys, you can easily able to completely control your laptop wirelessly and remotely. So this is the free version. Okay, so if you want to get more access, more feature, so you can go with the pro version as well if you like this application. So that's for today guys, the short and very simple video. If you enjoyed our video, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.